Facebook is a great way to stay connected with friends and family all over the world. But what happens when you accidentally enter the wrong birth date? In this video, I'll show you how to change your date of birth on Facebook. So whether you're trying to stay young forever or just want to update your information, watch this video until the very end to learn how to do it. First of all, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu screen, tap on your name to go to your Facebook profile. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap on Edit Public Details. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Edit Your About Info. And then scroll down a little bit, and you will see a section called Basic Info. Under that, you will see your current birthday on Facebook. So if you want to change your date of birth on Facebook, simply tap on Edit, and then tap on Over Here. And you can change your birthday. You can change the day, the month, and the year. One thing to keep in mind is that you can only change your birthday a limited number of times, so make sure you are selecting exactly what you want. After that, tap on I confirm I am blank years old, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Save to change your date of birth on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.